Recently, Microsoft revamped some of the features in Microsoft Store. So I will just run through with you all. Microsoft Store. See, the basic thing is the performance is really improved. See, it is very fast, and you can just scroll through. So really, the performance is good compared to better than before. And the other one is like you have downloads and libraries separated. So before they used to have in same folder, and now you have libraries and then downloads, both of them in a different location. And in downloads, you can see all the updates, recent updates. If you want to update all, you can update all, or you can just you want to get some updates, you get app updates. And then in library, the new feature is basically you can see here sort by date or sort by name. You can sort by name and then you can sort by date. If you want to see only installed products, basically just you can see the products that installed in your PC or a laptop. So, and the other one, the category, app category is basically changed, and you can see the apps separate and the games separate, and then you can select whichever the category your app is belongs to. And the other one, you can search the app from here as well directly if you know the app name. So let's say Spotify. So you can just select the Spotify app. So the search is bit enhanced. And the design is also very sleek comparative before. So it's a sleek modern UI with improved navigation basically. So the navigation is also improved. And the other one is the gaming. If you see in gaming, you will have a lot of categories in gaming, like you can see gamings and entertainments nicely with the visuals. So we can select which one you want to select. And then if you want to see what the latest updates on this Microsoft Store, basically you can select what's new, and that will tell you the new features. Basically, at the moment, you have three new updates. One is the new product detail page, like that is the revamped product detail page layout. And the other one is store search suggestions, like when you are searching for a content in the store search box, a new layout at the bottom actually. And the other one is categories for gaming, which I have already shown you. In the game page, you can now navigate easily quick through different game categories, such as strategy or role playing. So that is basically in here. In this is the gaming page. So you will see gaming categories basically in here. Free games. These are all the gaming categories. Past games. So you can just go through from here and download any game which you like to. Okay, these are all the some of the new features in Microsoft Store. Thank you. If you like the video, please leave a comment below and share and subscribe.